pasado sa LTO, pero nahuhuli ng enforcer po ninyo.
Ganun, sir.
Like for example, hindi ninyo ina-acknowledge yung sinasabi ng LTO na 99 decibels sa kanila, pasado, with 2,500 RPM. So, base po doon sa ordinansa ninyo, sa ating pag-uusap, yung pasado sa LTO, mahuhuli lang enforcer ninyo. Ang masakit nito, attorney, is
Yan, may grade
yes,
naman.
pero pwede kayong mag-require.
Pero, let's set that.
Especially you.
Yes, sir. Pero, let's set it in the legal context. Okay? Para maklaro natin, ma-confirm natin, ma-verify natin ang difference with the LTO implementation sa amin. Which, from the start, I'm saying this na. Una, LTO is created by Act 416, the Land Transportation Code of the Philippines, which time ba ni Magno Senior yun. And City Demo is created traffic code.
Local government.
Which and the local government, it provided that the LGU is dedicated in terms of traffic management, safety sa road. Ang LGU ang may concern. Okay, let's say, pumasa ka sa LTO, but what kind of test? Tinest ba ang... Kasi ang pagkakaalam ko, ang regulation ng national government in terms of yung motor is, I think, DTI somehow may ma-approve siya by default safety ito para ipatakbo. Okay. Ang LTO, ano sinicheck nila? I think, emission, regular claim. Kaya ito ng annual na registration kung ano sa ORCR nyo. Di ba? So, ang sinasabi nyo, pag ma-approve kayo sa LTO, through what? Test. May test ba sila as to nag-modify kayo? May body ba na nag-certify na you modify your motorcycle unit, safety ito sa road? Which I think, we need a statement from you. Oh. Kung meron silang ganun, sir, meron silang ganun, so kami naman, if that is the policy of the LTO na saying, pag mag-modify, in-approve nila, pwede ito ipatakbo sa buong mundo, then kami, because in addition to the LTO's implementation, in addition kami, hindi talaga kami mag-counter sa kanila. Even a statement from them, if we are doing against their policy, then they will issue a statement. Ayun naman ang bumabangga. Especially, yung mga apektuhan na mga complainant natin na there's misconception when we implement this here.
Kaya muna kita dyan, no? Kanina may nag-interview sa akin. At